Question number 4. Check whether 5 minus 2, 6, 4 and 7 minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Now here let A is equal to same point, B is equal to 6, 4, C is equal to 7 minus 2 be the vertices of an isosceles triangle. We know that isosceles triangle is nothing but in a triangle any two sides are equal. Okay, that means here first we should find the A point, what is the 5 comma minus 2, and B point is 6 4 and C point is 7 minus 2. That means here we should find the distance between AB and distance between AC, and we should find the distance between BC. So here AB is equal to, we know that the distance formula, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance formula. Now we are going to find the distance between A and B. Now here first point A, that is 5 comma minus 2. So this is equal to, so here you should take x1 y1, then point B 6 4. So this is equal to x2 comma y2, x2 comma y2. Then this is equal to x2 minus x1. What is x2 here? 6. 6 minus x1 is 5 whole square. Then plus y2. What is the y2 here? Y2 is 4 minus y1 is minus 2. Here already minus is there. Minus into minus it becomes plus 2 the whole square. Then 6 minus 5 is 1 square plus 4 plus 2 is 6 square. Then this is equal to square root of 1 square is 1 plus 6 square is 36. So this is equal to square root of 36 plus 1 is 37 units. So we got 1 point, the distance between A and B. Next we should find the distance between BC. BC is equal to square root of same formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then here B and C point we should take here. Now B point, here point B 6 4. So this is equal to, we can take x1 y1. Then point C 7 comma minus 2. Then this is equal to x2 comma y2. Okay, then this is equal to x2 minus x1. x2 is 7, x1 is 6. So that is 7 minus 6 whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 is minus 2. Then minus y1 is 4 whole square. Then this is equal to square root symbol as it is. 7 minus 6 is 1 square plus, now here both are negative sign, keep minus sign and add 2 plus 4 is 6 whole square. Then this is equal to 1 square is 1, then minus 6 whole square is 36 plus 36. So this is equal to square root of 37 units. 37 units. Then similarly we should find the distance between A and C. AC is equal to square root symbol, then distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then here a point, we can take, what is the a point here? 5 minus 2. So this point we will take x1 and y1. Then point C we will take a x2 y2. Okay. Now square root symbol, x2, what is x2? 7, x1 is 5. 7 minus 5 whole square plus y2, y2 is minus 2, then minus y1, y1 is, here minus is there, so minus into minus it becomes plus 2, then whole square, then this is equal to 7 minus 5, 2, 2 square plus here 0, minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled, it becomes 0, 0 square is, that is equal to 0, and this is equal to square root of 4, 2 square is 4, then this is equal to 2, square root of 4, answer is 2, so answer is 2 units. Now here we got AB is equal to square root of 37 and BC is equal to square root of 37. So here we got two values are same. So here therefore AB is equal to BC is equal to square root of 37 units. Therefore it is an, we got two sides are equal. So what we should write here? So the given points are vertices of an isosceles triangle. The given points are vertices of an isosceles triangle. Here we got two sides are equal. That means it is isosceles triangle. So the given points, so the given vertices are the given points are vertices of an isosceles triangle.